Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add and remove tags in bulk on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, head over in here under your products on your Shopify dashboard. And now in here, you should be able to see all of the products that you have. So head over and just click on the products that you want edited. So as for me, I will edit every product that they have. Now, what you can do next is you can click on this three dots right here, which is the More Actions button. And in here, you can see this Add Tags. So let's click on this Add Tags right here. And then, for example, let's find or create tag. So for example, let's put in here Summer. Now, click on this Add right here if we don't have this tag yet. Now, click on this. And as you can see, click on Save. And now, this will add this tag to this product. So as you can see, tags has been added. So what will happen is we can open the product, and when we open it, we should be able to see the tag right in here. So in here, you can see this. You can see that under the tag, we have this summer right here. So if you want to remove particular tags on that, you can just head over and then just try to select the products that you want to remove that particular tag into. So for me, I'll just remove that and all. Now click on the three dots. Click on this Remove Tags just below the Add Tags button, and then select the tag that you want to remove. So for me, I will remove the summer tag, but if you can't find it, you can actually just remove the tag that we have, for example. Now click on Save, and then this will remove the tags for that. And once we head over and then click on this specific product, we should be able to scroll down, and in here you can see that the men's hat has been removed, and we now have the summer only. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!